This all-in-one indicator produces the best buy-sell signals on TradingView by far, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to sort it out and exactly how to take trades to make you lots of profit. It is so simple yet so sophisticated, and you will not believe the results I am about to show you. So make sure you watch the entire video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into today's strategy. Now, the indicator that we are going to be testing out today is called the SFX Algo, and this produces insane buy and sell signals that is so easy to read and understand, yet the indicator itself has such detailed settings that makes it an all-in-one tool that almost any trader can utilize to make more money trading the market. Now that we've added this indicator to our chart, we're going to click on the settings, and for the settings tab we want to make sure that on the algorithm settings the sensitivity level is set to 70. The second most important one is for the signal strength, and we want to set that to a 50. We also want to make sure that the volatility bands is turned off, and I have also disabled the dashboard settings, and I have turned off all of the shapes, plots and plot backgrounds. The second indicator that I'm going to add to the chart is one that I've used before on many other strategies, and it is the ATR stop loss indicator by Edgar. We'll be using this indicator to get nice and safe but also very tight stop losses with our trades to maximize the profit. Once both of those indicators have been added, your chart should look something like this. So now we're going to get straight into the strategy and show you exactly when you need to be taking these exact buy and sell trades, in what market conditions, and the risk to reward needed. If I draw two very simple lines right here, we can see that previously price was climbing right here, and we are now in this very up and down consolidation zone, and rule one for this strategy is to only focus on trending markets, so we need to wait for price to start trending again. Now that some time has passed, we can see that price has very clearly left the consolidation zone. Price gave its first push out with this buy signal that gave right here, but obviously we wouldn't be taking this trade because at this exact moment we wouldn't have known the price was going to trend up this much. So this wasn't a valid trade to take, but it definitely was a confirmation of a buying trend occurring. And if I zoom out a little bit, we can see that price went from consolidating to now trending in an upward direction. And we can see that just by drawing some very simple lines. So now it is time to start looking for buy trades. In this scenario, we will not be taking any sell trades whatsoever because we are in an uptrend and we are not counter trend trading. And there we go, you can see we had our first buy signal for the strategy right here. When we've zoomed in on the chart, it does seem like the price is consolidating, but remember we are working on a much larger scale here, and when we zoom out we can see very clearly the price is actually trending in an upward direction. For our trade to be valid, like I said, we need a trending market, and then step 2, we need a buy signal to paint. Step 3, the candle must be green for a buy, and then we can now enter our trade. Place our stop loss at the ATR stop loss line, which is this grey line right here. And for this strategy, we will be targeting a 3 risk to reward ratio. And there we go, that trade has now hit, and our very first trade for the strategy has nailed us a 3% profit. Let's keep going with the trend and look for the next buy trade to take. Okay, and we can see here that not long after the previous trade, we have another buy signal. There was a sell signal right here that didn't work out, but remember we are in an uptrend, so we will not be taking sell trades at this time. And then remember, we set our stop loss at the ATR line and target a 3 risk to reward. And the second trade of the strategy didn't work out, losing us a 1%, but we are still up 2% overall from the previous trade. And just a few candles later from this previous trade, we have a sell, but we would not be entering as we are still in an uptrend. And then right here we have our next buy trade for the strategy. Feel free to play around with any different risk to reward ratios with this strategy, but personally I have had the best results in a trending market with 3 risk to reward, and the higher the risk to reward, the more profit we can make. And there we go, the third trade in this strategy is hit, and let's find the next buy. One nice little feature of this indicator that I do like is for the buy and sell labels you can actually see a little star with a number next to it. This number represents the quality of the buy and sell label actually printing and the strength and likeliness of this price actually hitting the target price. So again, we enter on the close of the candle. Remember, always enter on the close so the label actually paints. Now it is important to note that if you are in a trade and you do get a signal that paints in the other direction, we do not exit our trade and we don't jump in the opposite direction. But right here we do have a buy signal that is painted with a 2-star rating, and this trade does actually agree with the previous buy that we took, so it is safe to enter this trade as well. And there we go, both of those trades actually hit a take profit as well. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I am now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using these exact settings and the exact same pair. Remember, if a pair that you are trading is consolidating, there is plenty of other pairs to check, and this indicator works on absolutely everything. It works on forex pairs, it works on cryptos, it works on indices, you name it, it works. Flick through the charts until you find a nice pair that's trending, and then look for your directional bias. Please hit that like button if you enjoy this strategy and you want to learn more, and let's get straight into the results. Okay, and here are the absolute insane results. We had a 64% win rate and we made 361% on a $1,000 account, taking us all the way to $4,617. Now, if you're more interested in the stats on the screen, feel free to pause it and have a look through. But you're probably wondering, Mo, what is this indicator? What is this strategy, and how do I find it on TradingView? Well, you can find the best buy-sell indicator on TradingView from Flux Charts. Now just ask yourself, for the price of 1 takeaway a month, is it worth getting this strategy and finding out for yourself how good it really is? And in my opinion, it absolutely is. But not only will you get this indicator to create this strategy, you will also get other free premium indicators. You will get live trading signals for free. You will get a Discord community. There is 24/7 support constantly inside and out of the Discord. And the best part about all of it is there is a 7-day risk-free money-back guarantee, which means that you can get this membership for the price of 1 takeaway out of the month and test this strategy and others and the signals and check out the Discord group absolutely risk-free. Flux Charts is an absolutely amazing membership, and for the community alone it is worth every single penny, I promise you. And I am a premium member myself after seeing all the cool stuff that they do. So please click that first link down in the comments and check them out for yourself, and I will see you on the TradingView charts. But thank you very much for watching this whole video today, and thank you very much to Flux Charts. They are definitely one of the best in the space right now, and you are going to love them. So click that first link down below.